Good morning and welcome to today's mastermind. And today I'm going to be talking about how to secure profits, how to guarantee profits as a trader. This is something that comes up a lot with beginners, and it's hard to understand how you can guarantee profits. Now, caveat to this: one, this is not financial advice. Two, you've got to make sure that you're actually executing good, solid trades. You can't just guarantee profits if you're just going in willy-nilly. But if you're trained up, you know exactly what you're doing, you know exactly where to buy, and you've got that sorted, how do you hang on to profits and how can you guarantee that you're definitely going to secure profits? So I'm going to share the screen and I'm going to give you a bit of an example here. So this is an example of a trade that we went in. I've redesigned it, taking away the numbers, etc. But the example is exactly the same. So what we do is we set out for our clients buy areas where we DCA in, dollar cost averaging. So you buy a bit there, buy a bit there, buy a bit there, buy a bit there, based on key support levels. I've not put the support levels in. We've got liquidity levels you'll spot here, but let's keep it really, really simple. So normally you'd have a series of support levels if you were buying in this particular long in this example. So this one's come into our buy zone. It's probably executed one, maybe two of the buys, and then it's come into the TP zone. Now, TP, for anybody that doesn't know, means take profit. This is where this bit here, anywhere from here to here, is where you're supposed to take profits. Now, that might sound really, really simple. You'd be surprised that people simply do not take profits. So they'll get a nice move here. So let's look at this move that's happened so far from here to here. That's a 6% move. 6%. If you're in real estate or property investment, you'll know how hard it is from a buy to let property, for instance, to claim back 6% of your investment. 6% in the matter of hours is a very, very lucrative income stream if you're doing this on a day-to-day basis. So here is a very, very, very simplistic way. This video will be short today, but I hope that you take it and you actually implement it into your trading. So when you buy in here, you've obviously got your stop loss set down here. Now, this stop loss was below this small bit of liquidity here on this example. But as soon as you've got a bounce, no matter whether you come all the way into it and you carry on buying and then it bounces into TP, or whether you just dip into your buy zone and come into the TP, your take profit zone, this is known as TP1. Now, with key resistance levels, that could be TP1, this could be TP2, this could be TP3, this could be TP4, and this could be TP5. That's how it would work. Take profits in steps. So what I would suggest is buying into here. When you hit TP1, close, i.e. take profit, or have an auto limit sell on your take profit to take 25 to 50% here. Now, forget the rest of what could happen, 50 to 25% here. Once that happens, as soon as that happens, take your stop loss to entry. To say that your entry was here, So let's make this your entry so it becomes very, very simple. Entry. Let's make this a nice white zone here, and let's make this entry. This is your entry point. As soon as we hit TP1 here, and you've taken 25 to 50% of your position off of the table, so you've paid yourself, immediately move your stop loss to just above entry. I say just above entry because we want to cover any kind of fees, especially if you're trading on the futures market, derivatives, leverage. You want to pay your fees and you want to, make sure that you're losing nothing. So if the price comes up, hits TP1, bounces up a little bit, and then creates a lower high to then create a lower low, you have not lost anything. You've gained everything. This is how you guarantee profits across the board. Such a simple strategy, but you'll be surprised at how many people do not know this or even do this. Trading is, I'd say, 95% mindset and 5% skill, because once you know what you're doing, it's you against you. It's your mindset that will let you down. So like I say, once you've hit TP1, taken some partial profits off of the table, so you know you're definitely going to make something out of this trade, move your stop loss to entry. So if this happens, you simply cash out of the market, cover fees, you've taken profit here, and you're in the green zone. And that, my friends, will make sure that you lucratively, well, you basically make this business, this trading business, a very lucrative business. Do that 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times a day if you've got the time, and you can see very, very quickly that you'll become a very profitable trader. Now, you may think, but I want to wait till TP5. I think this is going to make me maximum profit. I think this is the trade that's going to make me 10K a day. If you continue to think big picture constantly on your day trades, this is possible through swing trading. I'll cover this on another video as we go along, probably next week. But if you're day trading or scalping and you're not taking profit and paying yourself, this is going to bite you in the backside if you're not planning the trade. So we always teach plan the trade and trade the plan. The reason why we trade the plan, planning the trade is the easy bit. Maybe you've got that bit nailed. Trading the plan is the hard bit. That's where the mindset comes in. That's where the discipline comes in. That's where the integrity comes in. Am I going to do what I said I was going to do? Integrity is doing what you said you'd do, even behind closed doors where nobody whatsoever is looking. That's my question to you. Are you sticking to the plan? Are you staying disciplined? Are you a person of integrity? Are you doing what you said you would do? Because if you're not, that's where the losses come. If you are consistently taking profits across the table, that's going to make you and cement you as a profitable trader. Hope that helps. Have a great day. Tune in Monday for more of these tips. No matter where you are, whether you're a beginner, whether you're a trader that's been trading years, all these tips will help you, or better yet, they might even just remind you to keep the main thing, and that's to make this a profitable business. Have a great day.